Proklamasi kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia.
It has been 80 years since the birth of our nation's independence. Yet the voice in that historic proclamation still echoes into our hearts. This freedom was forged in the blood of our heroes and in the prayers of our mothers. And today, this independence belongs to each and every one of us.
Our duty now as our Kabupaten. Our duty is to protect our unity, to uphold our sovereignty, and ensure the people in Indonesia live in prosperity.
Remember this: only in unity do we find strength, and only in solidarity do we find dignity, and only with prosperous people will Indonesia rise to its true greatness. Happy 80th anniversary of the Republic of Indonesia. Let us march forward together with a spirit that will never fade and a flame of patriotism that will never die.